right, today we talked about absolute value. We said absolute value was the distance from 0 to the number. And distance is always positive. There's no such thing as a negative distance unless you're going backwards through space and time. Otherwise, it's going to be positive. All right, let's think about this logically. If I'm taking the absolute value of this equation, it needs to be either a positive 5 to get 5, or a negative 5 would also give me a 5. Okay, so that means whatever's inside either has to be positive 5 or negative 5. So we're going to do exactly that. We're going to take what's inside out. We're going to write it 2 times because we have 2 answers that will work. We're going to make this one equal the negative 5. And we're going to make this one equal the positive 5. The setup's the worst part, right? After that, it's just solving. And you have to solve both equations because they both work. All right, the cool part is you solve them exactly the same, but you get a different number. So I'm going to add 7 to both equations. But check it out. This one will give me 2x equals 12. This one's going to give me 2x equals 2. And it's going to be nice numbers. I like that. So I'm going to divide this one out by 2, and I get x is equal to 6. I divide this one out by 2. I get x is equal to 1. All right, let's double check to make sure this worked. If I put a 6 back in here, then I would have 2 times 6 is 12, minus 7 is positive 5, and the absolute value is 5. That works. If I put in a 1, I get 2 times 1 is 2, minus 7 gives me negative 5, and the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Okay, also notice that not only are they 2 different numbers, but it doesn't have to be a positive or a negative, just different numbers. And you're done. You know you love math.